Welcome. Today's video will show you how to make money using AI. Let's dive in and start earning with the power of AI. We'll dive into platforms like Murf.ai, Love.ai, and SpeechFlow also, which allow you to create high-quality, natural-sounding voiceovers from text. One of the easiest ways to make money with Murf.ai is by offering freelance voiceover services. This can include video voiceovers, narrating YouTube videos, explainer videos, or promotional content. Podcast editing, providing narration or editing services for podcasters. Audiobooks, creating voiceovers for ebooks or audiobooks. E-learning modules, narrating educational content for online courses. For this guide, we'll focus on creating video voiceovers, as there is a high demand and it's relatively straightforward. Sign up for Murf.ai. Visit the Murf.ai website and click on Sign Up. Choose a suitable plan. Murf.ai offers a free trial, but for commercial use, consider subscribing to a paid plan. Explore the platform. Familiarize yourself with Murf.ai's dashboard, features, and available voices. Test different voices and settings to understand how to achieve the best results. Generate sample voiceovers. Use Murf.ai to create a few voiceover samples in different styles. Example script.
Three wires, two speakers, one.
Welcome to our comprehensive e-learning course. Welcome to this video where we'll explore a fascinating topic. We'll delve into the intricacies, uncover hidden depths, and gain valuable insights. Join me as we embark on this journey of discovery together.
Create profiles on platforms, Upwork or Fiverr. Description: I will record a pro-American male commercial voice over. Define your services. Set competitive prices. As a beginner, offer affordable rates to attract your first clients. Gradually increase your prices as you gain experience and positive reviews. Offer additional services like script writing, video editing, or full multimedia packages. Automate processes. Use tools like Grammarly for proofreading scripts and Trello or Asana for project management to handle more projects efficiently. Good luck on your journey. Thank you for watching. Stay innovative, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.